Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature some highly coveted styles and selections, so if you have been dreaming up a brand new do, this channel is for you. If you feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up and you will stay updated on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful mermaid pink hair color for this next one. This is absolutely stunning. Now this of course would be a great option if you're looking for something that is a little bit bold. You could also do pops of the same color variation mixed in your hair, and that would be a way to just kind of tame it down a tad. But if you do like something that is a little bit more bold, this is a great option to try. Next up, we have another hair color transformation. Stylist did a gorgeous dimensional blonde, beautiful face framing highlights. Gorgeous. And then we have another hair color transformation. So she has a lot going on here. I think the stylist might have been doing a little bit of strand testing. Oh, so he bleached the hair. Beautiful, soft, warm, sandy brown color. This is very unexpected. I thought maybe she was going to go with some fuchsia, but maybe she ended up DIYing the color herself to begin with, and the stylist was just kind of taking a look at it to see what it can do. But this color is beautiful. A lot more everyday friendly. Oh, this is gorgeous. Loving that blonde with the copper orange mix. So pretty. Then we have this salt and pepper pixie style. Then we have someone who has shoulder length hair. Looks like she's getting some hair extensions added. Now the hair extensions are tape ends and they are a little bit brighter, lighter than her natural color. Oh, and then he ended up doing some waves and crimps through the hair. If you guys haven't checked out my crimped hair video, definitely check that out. This is a huge trend we're seeing right now. I love the way the color mixed in with her real hair. Created a nice little fun dimension. And then we have a gorgeous bob haircut. Stylist mixed in some beautiful swoop bangs for this one. And also did more of like that mini bob trend. This is so beautiful. And then we move on to another bob haircuts. Wow, her hair is so thick and beautiful. This is an absolutely stunning angled bob. Here we have another bob haircut transformation. This one also ends around the jawline as well. Beautiful. So let me know in the comments below, is this video making you want to get a bob? So much variety in the styling options, color selections. And then we have this beautiful pixie style. I am in love with this color. Oh, so gorgeous. And as you guys know, red is one of the most popular trends that we are seeing right now. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to gain some major hair inspiration from today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.